Okay, we're gonna videotape Kaylee opening something from Kelvin. Let's see if we can. Okay. Is it come here? You want me to help you get the box out? Here we go. Let's get the. Let me take that out of the way so you can see. What is it? What is it? Does it say? Let's see. What's that say? On the right up here.
Wind.
Solar wind chime. What? Let's see. What the heck? Let's see. You hold that open and I'll try to see if we got the right side up or not. We might have to, might be something Daddy has to help us put together. Let's see.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, look at that. What are those?
It's stuck.
Let's see. I think I got it upside down. Let's see. If I hold it this way.
Oh my gosh. That is so cute.
Oh my goodness. And it looks like it's solar, so maybe it's going to light up.
Yes.
Beautiful. Who's that from?
It's from Kelvin.
Oh, isn't that so neat?
Yes.
Do you want to say anything to him in case he gets this video?
Yes. Thank you, Kelvin, for my solar light. I love you.
That's beautiful. Oh, man.